Today we will replace the thermal compound on our Phat Xbox 360. You will need a non-conductive compound with cleaning supplies and a tiny flathead screwdriver. I recommend the Arctic Silver 5 kit in the video's description that comes with a lint-free cloth. This tutorial assumes that you have already extracted your motherboard. Replacing the excessive and cheap factory compound will make it easier for your device to achieve better temperatures and make soldering the Modchip much easier. To remove the clamps, insert a screwdriver between the peg and the outside of the clamp, then carefully pry. They can be stubborn. Try not to slip. Release one, then a second one next to it. After that, the whole clamp should pop off. Repeat this for the second clamp. Set the heat sinks aside. Remove most of the compound with the ArctiClean 1 solution and a lint-free cloth. Don't worry about getting every speck as long as the surfaces are clean. Repeat for the heat sinks. Now is the ideal time to solder in your Modchip as shown in the video link now. When ready, apply the ArctiClean 2 solution and wipe it off. Apply a small amount of thermal cooling compound in the center of each surface. A little goes a long way, and while there's no exact science, the general recommendation is about the size of a grain of rice. Take one of the heat sinks and put its pegs back through the holes, then press down on the corners of the clamp to snap them back into place. Repeat this process for the second heat sink. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now put your mind to the test and go do the rest.